Hi everyone! Today I'm printing St. Patrick's Day items on my 3D printer. I'm making small widgets and some keychains and also small pieces for hoodie strings. Everything looks like small Clover. Everything is printed in green color. All the items have the shape of a clover because St. Patrick's Day is coming soon. The clover is a symbol of this holiday, so I thought it would be a nice and simple design for printing. I really like how the green color looks during the print. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.